how to become successful and be one of them. Surround yourself with successful people. The best way to become successful is to be in the proximity of success on a daily basis. This may seem pretentious, but the reality is that successful people lead the kind of life that you want to be a part of, so it is essential that you too be surrounded in such a lifestyle. Watch, listen and learn from the successful. Watch, listen to, and learn from the successful so that you can recognize how successful people talk, think, and behave. Additionally, you will come to identify the cause and effect of certain actions. This is a major learning tool if you want to be successful yourself one day. Read inspirational stories of success people. Read the success stories of others, especially those that you admire who rose to the top from poorer or less successful beginnings. By doing so, you will recognize a similarity between you and the successful, thus making your own success feel more plausible in your own eyes. Learn even from the failures of others. Success is often followed by numerous occasions of failure, so find out the bad and the good behind each success story. With such knowledge, you will be less likely to get depressed if you yourself fail on occasion, and you may even be able to avoid certain pitfalls by seeing them foreshadowed in the stories of others. Continue to learn, and never assume that you know everything. Such arrogance can easily cloud your ability to remain ahead of the game. A successful person is always learning from their mentors. When you feel you have gained as much knowledge from your circle of successful people, expand your social network by inviting even more success into it. The most effective methods of becoming successful in whatever it is you want to achieve is to copy those who are already successful in your eyes. Success is subjective because its definition is different to everyone. If success means doing well at work, being financially independent, or a good parent, then finding people who have already achieved such success should be your first goal.